In this video, we'll show how to install Microsoft Windows 2016 in UEFI mode by using a Dell LifeCycle Controller on a Dell 13th generation PowerEdge system. Before you begin, ensure that you have the Microsoft Windows Server 2016 operating system handy. Now to begin the process, turn on the system and press F2 to go to the System Setup page. Click System BIOS, Boot Settings, and then UEFI mode as the boot mode. Click Back and Finish, and then click Yes to exit the System Setup page. Now press F10 to go to the LifeCycle Controller. Note that if you have the Dell OEM Recovery Media, insert it into your DVD drive and continue with the LifeCycle Controller wizard. If a DVD drive is not present in your system, then use a USB DVD drive. If you do not have a USB DVD drive, you can use the virtual media method. If you want to use virtual media, then you'll need to have the Microsoft Windows Server 2016 ISO image handy. In this video, we'll be using the virtual media method for installation. Now, click Virtual Media and then click Connect Virtual Media. The Initializing Connection dialog box is displayed. Click OS Deployment. Next, click Deploy OS. If the virtual disk is not present, you'll be redirected to the RAID configuration wizard to create a virtual disk. Select Configure RAID first to create a new virtual disk. You can also use this option to edit the attributes of an existing virtual disk. If the virtual disk is already present, select Go directly to OS Deployment and then click Next. Under Available Operating Systems, select Microsoft Windows 2016. Note, if the available options do not list Windows Server 2016, then you'll have to download the latest OS driver pack from dell.com/support and update the drivers on the server before you start the installation by using LifeCycle Controller, and then click Next. The system loads the relevant drivers for the selected OS. This will take less than 5 minutes to compose the OS drivers. Select Manual Install as the installation mode, and then click Next. On the Insert OS Media page, click Virtual Media, and then click Map CD DVD to map the device. In the dialog box, click Browse to select the Microsoft Windows 2016 ISO image, and then click Map Device. Validating the operating system media will take less than 2 minutes. The settings are summarized on this page. Click Finish to apply the settings. Once the settings have been applied, the system will reboot and start the OS deployment. Note, after rebooting your system, you'll be prompted to press any key to start the installation. If the key is not pressed, the system will not proceed with the installation. Once you press any key, the OS installation starts. Once the files are loaded, select the appropriate language in which you want to install the OS. Note, if you want to change to another language, reboot the system, boot into the OS media, and then choose the right language. You can select the time and currency format of your region, select keyboard or input method, and then click Next to continue. At this point, click Install Now. Note that this operation might take a while to complete. If you want to install Server Core, then select Windows Server 2016 Data Center and click Next. Read the license agreement. If you agree to the terms, select I accept the license terms, and then click Next. Select Custom, Install Windows Custom Only. After this, select the drive where you want to install Microsoft Windows 2016, and then click Next to begin the installation. Note that the system will restart a few times while the installation is in progress. After the installation is successful, the system restarts. You can now log into Microsoft Windows Server 2016. Please note that Dell highly recommends to install the latest hotfixes and security updates from Microsoft on your system by using Windows Updates or by downloading the latest updates after installing the operating system. For more information, go to delltechcenter.com/OS.